Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to delete message on Slack. You sent a wrong message inside your team's channel and you want to remove it but you don't know how. So today I am going to show you how to delete a message on Slack. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Slack application. Then, go to the channel or any direct message where you want to delete a message. For example, I will go to this test channel. Then here, for example, I want to delete this message. Simply tap and hold on this message until a menu appear. In this menu, below you will see this option delete message. Once you tap on that, a prompt will appear asking if you are really sure to delete this message because once deleted, you can recover the message anymore. If you change your mind in deleting it, tap on cancel. If you are really sure to delete it, tap on this delete option. As you can see, the message was immediately erased to this channel. Take note that you can only delete messages that you have sent. If you want to delete a message that someone else has sent, you can ask them to delete it or you can ask a Slack administrator to delete it for you. Additionally, some channels and direct messages may have message retention policies that prevent messages from being deleted. In these cases, you may not be able to delete the message even if you are the sender. There you go. If you wanted to know how to delete a message on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to delete message on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.